Greetings, and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day we have a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series now on the teachings of Jesus. And let me tell you something. You just need to hear it in the Jamaican language. And even if you don't speak Jamaican, some people who don't even speak the Jamaican language, it's like them can hear it on a deeper level where Jesus has said. So follow away, and if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button now. Leave a comment. Share this video with as many people as you can. And if you don't do it yet, just go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell. When you click the notification bell, you will get a notification every time there's a new reading posted, which is 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning on YouTube.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the Good News about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 12 from verse 18 to verse 27. Some Sadducee, them claim say people were dead, can't come back alive. Come to Jesus and ask him say, Teacher, Moses write this for we. If one man brother dead left him wife with no pitney, the brother must marry the woman and have pitney with her for him dead brother. Well, one time you did have 7 brother. The first one married but dead and never have no pitney. The second brother married the dead brother wife, but him dead too and never have no pitney. The same thing happened to the third brother. The 7 brother them dead, but none of them no gear no pitney. Then the woman dead too. When a time for them come back alive with all the other dead people them, who for wife shall go be, since the 7 of them did marry her? Jesus answered them say, Uno know say uno well wrong. And uno know why? Cause uno no know where God would say, and uno no know God power. Cause when dead people come back alive, man and woman now go get married. Them are go come in like the angel them in a heaven. But when you not talk about dead people if they come back alive, you never read when Moses write down in a part about the bush. Or God say, me are Abraham God, Isaac God, and Jacob God. Him are no God for the dead, but for who are live. So, who know well wrong? A God what this? Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.